Croton or Codiaeum variegatum is an ornamental plant that is popular as a home garden decoration. Not only beautiful, Croton plants are also famous for their easy maintenance. This plant is liked by many people because it has interesting and varied leaf shapes and colors. Croton plants originate from the Indonesian archipelago and have spread to tropical and subtropical climates. Codiaeum variegatum or fire croton, garden croton, or variegated croton is a species of plant in the genus Codiaeum, which is a member of the family Euphorbiaceae. It is native to Indonesia, Malaysia, Australia, and the western Pacific Ocean islands, growing in open forest and scrub. Several hundred cultivars were selected and bred for their foliage. Depending on the cultivar, the leaves may be ovate to linear, whole to deeply lobed or wrinkled, and variegated with green, white, purple, orange, yellow, red, or pink. Color patterns can follow veins or margins, or blotches on leaves. Popular cultivars include spiral, which has red and green leaves that are spirally twisted. Andrenum, which has broad oblong yellow leaves with golden veins and edges. Majesticum, which has pendulous branches, with linear leaves up to 25 centimeters long with midrib veins yellow to red. Oriomaculatum, whose leaves look yellow.